acoustic version of 7 by Catfish and the Bottlemen is played in standard tuning with the capo on the 3rd fret. We're going to start the song off with this beautiful sounding chord. It's a G add 13 relative to capo. It's 3rd fret, low E string, 5th fret on the A, 5th fret on the D, open G, 3rd fret with the first finger there on the B, and a high E string open. I'm going to start off with a quick 16th note, down up. Then we'll strum down, 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 down for 1 full bar. So the quick, and then down, 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 down. We're also going to accent the 2 and the 4. So 1, accent, accent. And we're going to strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up in 8th notes for 4 full bars. And on the 4 and the last strum, the last up strum of the 4th bar, we're going to take this first finger off to go to a G6 chord. So we've got. Off, and then we're going to strum exactly the same way for the next few bars. So the finger comes off on that last up strum, and then we're going to strum up, down, up, down, up, down, with the accent still on the 2 and the 4. So for that last bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 off, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we continue down, down, up, down, up, down. Finger on the last strum there of the 4. So from that 4th bar there, with the 3rd finger on, down, up, down, up, down, down, off, up, down, 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 up, and then on the up strum we come in again, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then last bar, down, down, up, off, and off. So the whole intro slowly. For the verse we have 2 chords, this G add 13 chord and a standard E minor chord for 4 bars each, and the strumming is exactly the same in 8th notes with the accents on the 2 and the 4. The chorus part for this song is probably my favourite guitar part in this song. It's a C chord to start with, but we move the 3rd finger up to the low E string at the 3rd fret, and the pinky finger goes to the 3rd fret on the A string, relative to capo again, obviously. This is a C over G chord, shape anyway, and we are playing down in quarter notes, but this time we have a slight palm mute, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the second bar 1, 2, 3, 4 round. So down, 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 up. Move to our E minor chord, and we're just going to strum down, 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 up. And then we're going to go back to that C with the G in the bass chord, but move it up 2 frets. This is a D add 9/11 chord, although it's not functioning as that because of the capo. And the strumming is exactly the same as for the E minor, down, 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 up. So this is played on repeat. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and E minor, D. Last time through, the C is the same, but when we go to the E minor, we kind of lose the palm mute in, and we go full strums, and then to the D chord, down, 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 down. Okay, so that last time through. Straight away after the chorus, we go to a G bar chord, and we're going to strum down, 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 up for 3 bars. And then on the 4th bar, it's down, down. The bass is going to walk down to the F sharp, so just move down 1 fret. And these 3 fingers are going to kind of stay in place. Down, down. So it's 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Then we go to our E minor chord for 4 bars, but the strumming does change slightly here. It goes down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So the first 2 bars are the same. In the 3rd bar we go down, 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 and then a quick down, up, down, 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 down. Then we have the open strings before we go back into the verse part. And the whole post-chorus part is this: G, the solo there's a different guitar part. It's based around a G chord, still going to an E minor, but we're going to play the G chord like this with the third, second and pinky finger so we can get that first fret hammer on onto the B string. So we have a G and we're going to strum down, 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 up, and then another down strum with a hammer on before we go down, up, down, off. So off, down, down, hammer on, down, up, down, off, and then we're going to strum down, down, up, and then down with the hammer on, down, up, and then to the E minor chord. So for the G, down, 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 on, off, hammer on, and then we go to the E minor chord and we go down, down, down. Whole section for that solo part is the G. So the only other part in the song is the final chord, which is a single strum of C over G.